Winter has loosened its grip. The cold, heavy air that once wrapped around everything has begun to soften. The days stretched a little longer, the sun lingers a little warmer, and the world begins to wake up. Spring is not just a season, it is a reminder that even after the longest, silent winters, life always finds its way back. It is the earth's way of telling us that nothing stays frozen forever, that change is natural, necessary, and beautiful. Where I live, in the mountains of Uttarakhand, spring is not just about the warmth returning, it is a beginning of a new year, a new harvest, a new cycle, a new chance to start again. The fields that once lay bare are now full of life, and so are the people. Farmers prepare for the season ahead, trees shed their weight of winter, and even the air feels lighter. And I feel it too. Winter demands layers, thick sweaters, heavy blankets, extra weight, and now suddenly there is a freedom in movement. Just one layer of clothing, just one light breeze, and everything feels different. It's a small thing, but it matters. Most of what I capture is from my village, the quiet corners I know so well. But beyond these familiar paths, there is a valley waiting to be explored, a beauty so vast that I have yet to show. And the truth is, it's not because I don't want to, it's because I hesitate. I don't know why, but when I'm around people, I lose the courage to capture what I see. The confidence I have when I'm alone disappears in the presence of others. Maybe you have felt that too. The hesitation to step outside of your comfort, the fear of being seen. Maybe, just maybe, in my next video, I will step beyond these familiar paths. Maybe I will find the courage to show the valley as I see it, to tell its story the way it deserves to be told. Let's see what happens. By the time you watch this, it will probably be evening or night. I hope you had a good day, and if not, I hope tomorrow will be kinder to you. Sleep well, rest your heart, and wake up to a beautiful new day. Good night and take care. See you soon.